Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I want to talk about those other businesses that I believe Nigerians can do online and they can earn money online. In my previous videos, I talk about those opportunities that Nigerians can grab to work online. So today I want to talk about two other opportunities or two other things that Nigerians can do online and also earn money online. The first one is a freelancer. You can be a freelancer, work as a freelancer. Maybe you have a skill, and these skills you can turn these skills to something to make money for yourself online. There's a lot of people that need those skills. Maybe you are a graphic designer, maybe you are a content creator, or maybe you are a social you can do a social media management, or you can help some companies with their SEO ranking, or you can become a friend to somebody. I came across this job on Fiverr, and it's like you become a friend to somebody, some people, and they pay you for being their friend. So these are the things you can do. Even if you don't have any skills, you can be a freelancer. Anybody can be a freelancer and earn online. So I'll be talking about some of the websites you can use to earn this to earn online or register for as a freelancer. That would be I will do a full video on this in my next video, so watch out for that. But today I just want to mention those things that you can do. Apart from being a freelancer, you can also work as an affiliate marketer. An affiliate marketer doesn't have much things to do. What you do, or what you can do as an affiliate marketer is to help other companies to market their products and services, and they pay you commissions once people click on your links, and they buy the product. They pay you commissions, and this is how you earn as an affiliate marketer online as a Nigerian. So I'll be talking about some of the websites you can work for, even right here from Nigeria. One of the websites is Owo Daily. Owo Daily is a membership website. One thing about this website is that you are going to pay a token to register for this website, and after that, then you can go ahead. They will give you an affiliate link that you can promote on your social media. What you do is that you go on your social media. I know a lot of you already have Facebook account. You have your WhatsApp, you have your TikTok, you have your Twitter, and even some of you have a channel, maybe like this one you are watching. These are the platforms that you can use to promote these products and services, and there's a lot of them. There's a lot of opportunities out there online as an affiliate marketer. And if you need help on this and you want to start making money online as an affiliate marketer, you can contact me and can put you through on how to get started. Drop a comment on this video that I want to be an affiliate marketer, or you can also drop a comment on this video that I want to be a freelancer, and I will put you through on how you can go about this. Okay, so these are the two things I believe any Nigerians can start with and start making money online. So this way I'm going to stop this video, because I don't want this video to be a long video, and I believe you have learned one or two things, and I always say that it's always good to, when you listen to videos like this, try those things that has been said in the video. Try them out, and because that's the only way this video can be of benefit to you. Okay. And another thing I want you to do something for me. I want you to share these videos among your friends and family, and I want your colleagues, your people, the people at your workplace. Share these videos with them, because this video can also help them in one way or the other. Another thing I want you to do for me is to click subscribe to this channel. If you have not done so, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. You click on the subscription button, and also make sure you click on the notification button. You click on the all, so that anytime I'm releasing videos like this, you'll be the first people to get notification, or to be notified that I have done so. And another thing I want you to do for me is to give these videos a like button. Give me a thumbs up, and because this is gonna encourage me to do more of these videos. And so this is where we're going to stop this video today, and I hope you have gotten one thing or the other. And if you still need more assistance, don't hesitate, just drop the comment for me on this video and I will attend to them as quickly as possible. So this is Marketing on Apple channel, and I hope to see you next time. So you watch out for my next video.